Limbe court for first instance, country people them, fire be waka enter for day yesterday for night. We don't turn back for day to this morning time. We go talk that palaver with the here. Say sideway registry them office, a day, out in a bond for inside. Before population say it turn for sea. As we they go come out some of the cargo them. We hear say na army rescue motor for Sonaram. He says he go try for lost that fire. Where he enter for courthouse for first instance. For Limbe, Tori 2 for this afternoon, we go take una for inside place where they call am saying call me tag. Wanna sabi say time where this week is start, we be talk on top this palaver for this other way quarter people they blame chief say he don't take money for some Okada people there they she done for day. Drink Billy then cause confusion for town. Mayor for Douala 2 Council and Caterpillar then says they be day inside call me tag. This a morning time we go talk that palaver now. So to go take on we talk this other chapter where it happen for Kutaba where market people then says they don't provoke after where people then can ask them tax so they start lock their business place them. They talk say Kunkuma a book and where prime minister be talk now say may they give sorry hard for 3 months before they even start for take any money from buy and sell them. We go talk this palaver plus chapter for Corona newspaper the day for inside we book for this afternoon. Big part of way concern now we Tori people them and family for Floraze as well began for some time. Then the talk say time where rain in the fall all man the hear bad but sabi say after rainy fall sun it must to shine. Now it means say when time for cry a day and time to for glad a go day. So we the talk Asia for family for Floraze. We the turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. In under 1 hour or make we talk say 50 minutes from now, they go come out die body for we combi. We own work person for inside house. That fine gun dairy way they call am say Floraze. We be then inside the last 2 weeks. Wanna sabi say Floraze says he die after he gets more sick and they go come out the die body for a co-house. For that side, so for a Tegal hospital, now for 2 o'clock, as we the family talk from there, they will carry the dead body. They go for their family house, where they for side for Log Baba. So, Tori people then says, na cry, with the cry, but that one no stop. Say make we no give na Tori way the happen with the talk Asia for all the Tori people them, plus family and combi them. For Floraze, we 2 o'clock, they go come out the dead body. So now only around that kind of 45 minutes from now, we they go come out that dead body for inside co-house for Dakar. Now for the way they be put the dead body for them. We say we go continue for talk for now as we the thing they pass. Inside other Tori for this afternoon, we go take una go for Limbe. Limbe na court for first instance. We fire he enter for day yesterday. So now image them this for night for Limbe. As we fire it be the cash for that side. So for court for first instance, no man he no sabi who put fire and no man he never fit for tell we sote now who side the fire he be come out for court for first instance. But sabi say the room where he burn plenty inside this fire wey cash for court of first instance for Limbe. Now registry a room it means say na for place where all important book them they dey for inside all till wey palava court case where they don't register. Now for that man he office where the fire is a cash plenty burn plenty for inside. We here to say for a VP and if VP are 2 VP 3 he own office 2 all that place and say the cash fire. Now so the fire be the waka small for enter for different sides. Now for this say way they so the army rescue people them for inside Sonaram, they run cam, they start cam lost that fire for overnight. But Sabi say the people there they be there for corner, they be fit for come out. Some of these things them book them for inside some office and check them important document them where they be fit for come out inside that place where they call them say court for first instance for Limbe way a catch fire overnight. It be there na yesterday for that side so where they call them say Limbe. And just for sabi say tori house e no left na only for night. This morning time we don turn back for that court for first instance. Make una sesep see the kanati wo meet up am. Na one of the building that wey e burn plenty well. This one na some other side, na different section that this one dey talk. The one na different fire wey be catch for that side. So for Mao quarter country people dem wey e dey so na 14 apartment room wey e be burn for inside. We go surely turn back for the one after. Maybe yes, now the courthouse this Warren, now the courthouse except that we will go for the this morning time for talk on top. Now the fire that is she say army rescue people them for Sonara they be get for turn back again for Sikase fire. It be so continue for cash as will be turned back for the courthouse at this afternoon. And as we talk as so now no person you know sabisa where this fire come out, and plenty people them they don't start the ask question why it they say na room for registry SSF when na for the way the fire system is start for cash. When I sabi say the army rescue people there, they be don't fair go, they be forced for turn back for inside the courthouse today. For see me they come continue for do their work only for Sikasi fire. It be this also continue for cash for inside place where they call court for first instance. So we hear say a city mayor for that side. So for Limbe, it don't already come see the place this morning time as where the place it don't burn, and they talk to say Congo side. They talk say governor for Southwest Bernard Okala Bilai is be get for land for court of first instance for that side. So for Limbe we e catch fire overnight as we tori enter for inside we hear. So now they cargo them that where they be fit for comot for inside that courthouse as we wanna say wanna the same. So we go turn back on top this palaver in the proper when we turn back for morning time tomorrow, and even for other tori them for Equinox Tori House. We go take una to talk this fire wey happen for place where they call am saying Dobong na for inside Douala here. This one na pour for light wey catch fire yesterday. Sabi say army rescue people them from Godi Douala here. Them say they be there for see as wey they go lose the fire. Sabi say no be na only them, no be na only them wey they be there, no be na only them wey they be there inside this palava. We hear say work people them for company too wey they look on light. Them they be there for help army rescue people then so that the fire no go continue. Now pull that way it be the catch fire overnight for inside Ndobong a quarter for Douala side here. Inside this week will be calm. We'll be telling una palava the kind of thing will be happen for place where they call am say Nkolmitak where they come out with knife say they want fight with Okada people them young boy them. Just now make we take una enter for Nkolmitak. Nothing this what we see as well people them for hygiene and sanitation, and even Caterpillar for Douala 2 subdivision plus Mayor Mami Fampu, all them they be there for outside. Sabi say inside this palava country people them na palava wey dey so they come for can chakara all that small business place where boy the way they the thief, a place where they the drink mimbo that they are billy, and even place where they so they sell them that small medicine where it make their skin them high. Sabi say all the business people them so where they turn up where they sell that war medicine for that boy them. They blame na quarter head. They say na quarter head it talk for them say me they turn up for they sell, and quarter head it be the past take money for them like he own bill where they pay am for quarter head all time. Now it mean say indirectly na the quarter head system it be the talk say me they continue for train bad people them give member for people there that hate it high, then after they come for can cause confusion. So chakara it don't happen for this since morning time so now as so the here even the quarter head way it day for inside question where the year say they don't carry the quarter head go for near them office for sick as say it make people them for the make binet, and this binet now for the sell billy sell some kind of strong medicine for people there they drive Okada. After that one they start to make open eye them thief people them for inside quarter. So now for Sika the two way happen where it is so mayor for Douala to Sesep Ma Fampu it turn for them this morning, and Chakara it go for Gomekam for say all the places they said that billy and where they turn sell even strong medicine them for this Okada boy them the Chakara for inside Nkolmetak now for under Douala to a subdivision as we wanna sabi. And wanna know say this kind of thing, for fit for happen with these people there with the uniform. They know that they near them say they be there was so talk security. It be turn up strong for say make no man, make like say he one can fight whether na the work person for inside the Douala too, or even for fight the person where they drive Okada or the person where they drive that Caterpillar where in the Chakara place. So now for see why that security it be turn up plenty near them say they be there for see say make no man, no one make use open eye for frighten the people that they work. So all man it be there, even the people then say where they look out, they be don't be prepared. Say any man where he want just put him up on top this palava, they go just take it, put it for backside. But Sabi, as so don't talk for now. The chief inside the quarter from Colmetak, as so the talk just now, he didn't for near them office. The answer question, why he get for put people them for the cell watching them, thing they really make people them high. Then after the thief, instead for it for the make peace and order for a quarter. So he there for back counter just now, for Sika say it will get hand for team way down the pass for inside Colmetak. So population says it be turn fine with the uniform people them, as so they be the follow up say make Chakara in the pass for inside place where they call them saying Colmetak this afternoon. We go come out on top that chapter just now. We go enter back for fire. From Chakara we enter back for fire. Now fire way cash for place where they call them say Pondo. Now some quarter name be that. Population, no be sleep early, just for sika this fire way e cash for that side, so where they call them say Pondo. As we to re-enter with EM, now some man, a house, a born all. Near them too, they no be sleep. Now fire that, we surprise plenty people them inside Pondo quarter where they be sleep for loom. As we to re-enter with here, country people them, they say now some small wire for current. Now we cause this fire, even as we they never to confirm. But Sabi said the fire, no kill no person. But people there they be the shidon inside this house. They no be come out no nothing for outside. As we to re-enter with here. Lucky to say the two small picky there they be sleep on top bed. Papa and mommy they tie hat. They jump enter for come out this picking them too for outside. Sabi said say the population they no be one level. Even as we fire be don't burn out in for say me they continue for lost fire. Army rescue it then a right for Konsamba and for say make it come for loom we no day. Jacquino too he be there inside for help for lost that fire. He says he no be sleep for night as we fire is surprise all them now dirty water for inside water hole they be use them for see as well they go take loss am. Now woman that and man where they be get the house where be the cast fire they no be common no nothing now only all things so where you see am as well then say they come out for outside. All man it be the sweat make we hear wait way man and mommy the man and the woman they talk after we fire it burn all that in them for Pondo they be the talk for Shakinomolo.
I don't know where we say fire come out. We dey for inside house. Me and my mama we don't come bush with the rest because they don't chop there they sleep. I tell some go wash. We don't come out for go wash. We dey for backside. As we dey for backside, one only year they holla say fire the burn house fire the burn house. Me and you come out for backside. I want look for up at the sea smoke where they go up very seriously. From there they run out the camp now for see my can look at one side fire already enter my own house. The two people they on top there they don't sleep. I struggle me and my mama will enter. He be there naked. Come on, hold one picking to hold one. We draw and come out. I want to go look for it. Oh, we know they will take no all team don't 5 carry all we. So just come out and hide for it. So wait for everything lost fire again. We know they have never people that they struggle for lost fire.
You know me, and baby me inside room and sleep. I want here picking the holla say what the people that they holla for us. How I see on a fire. Fire. Now you want to surprise me again. Now number 2 time where the bomb house. And the time is small piggy. Hey! I don't know between we don't happy, Papa. I don't know between we don't happy. Don't think that for my house they don't give up. Don't give up.
Yes, now just so the thing be happen for inside Pondo quarter, now for loom under Mongo division for Douala. Now, accident says it happened for Bomonoga. Now, for we National Road number 5, Littoral 546 BT. Now, moto for some people there, they call them Noblesse. It shows the moto. It be the come out for outside. It the enter town where it meet up with some gongo processor for that side. All them two, it shows they be the run. Now, it is plenty speed before them two, they meet up, jam face, as we Tori enter we here. Plenty people them they die. 7 people them they sleep straight inside this accident wey happen for Bomonogam. It be there yesterday, and Sabi say na army rescue people them for Douala. Them say as they call them the wrong go meet up near them, so they be already turn up for them for lookout. Say people they no enter thief and even K to them. So now they say they take time, take their white pieces, start for tie the die body them. So total now 7 people there they die for this accident where it happened for place where they call them say a Bomono yesterday for afternoon, and na plenty speed where it caused this accident as we Tori enter for inside we here. We go left accident just now, and other what to read them. We enter for this provoke we were people there they make binet inside market for Kutaba. Say they don't provoke. Sabi say book for Prime Minister. It talks say me they try for show sorry heart at least for 3 months for this mommy the way they make they sell for road. They go buy the cancel am. They call them na buy am sell am. But just now the population say the mommy then they surprise for say tax people them they don't come for inside market. Then they ask them mommy them that way they don't come out, say no way, say they know they pay no tax, they know they pay them no tax, where the tax people then they don't can ask them say me they pay tax. Now the mommy then say they talk say but no being governor, it don't tell we say we no go pay tax for 3 months. Why they can't ask tax? Why one they can't ask tax? I be say mommy them they want provoke now even after where the people there for tax they be don't already lock some people that be in a place, they don't put seal for day. And you see now the different tax and that they ticket them where it they so they show say now the tax that they mommy them they be get for pay. But just now after we mommy them sabi say they get 3 months where they no get for pay this tax, they surprise for say tax people them they also enter inside the market for lock be in a place them. As well with the worker the mommy then say so now go see now the tax thing that where they don't put them for door for some be in a place they never pay tax, so it they so they get for lock up. So people then say they ask whether this one they not true tax people them and on people there their ID hot where them to the one fine way for put something inside the car after we Prime Minister be sign book so make them no worry people them they be surprised say this kind of thing it dey happen. And now for inside Kutaba for West region where the thing it dey pass. We go enter small for inside this palaver for corona arraignment. Sabi say people them for Douala 4. They don't already take their cargo them. This one are the cargo they when Kunkuma Isenam. Now Gadi Osesep for inside Douala 4 sides. It be start this Ngandowe all thing it be happen. Now for his own front place. Sabi say big man the Oga Pata for inside Douala. When a Ezio it be dede. Even mayor for Douala for be dede. Dio Osesep it be dede for say me they see as well they get for dividing them for people them for under Douala 4. And Sabi say plenty of them they become for the different cargo them as well you see all man a tomba for house with at least 2 buckets and 1 carton soap. 2 buckets 1 carton soap. Now every people then say they start call the as ambassador these 2 buckets and 1 carton soap for some and 5 or 6 buckets and 1 carton soap or 2 carton soap then for other people them. That one it go do all the people there they dey for under Douala 4 subdivision. Me say I talk say I no fit answer that question, but just for Sabi say na the cargo them that way it dey so it don't enter already for Douala 4 and they don't divide them. Anyhow way they divide that one they don't divide na so something when Kunkuma don't give am, but they ask them Douala 4 with the population all people they go fit get 1 soap or even 1 bucket. Question where plenty people that say that they ask and where we say we this also continue for look as where the thing they happen. Make we hear DO for Douala 4 he talk for Chief Robert Mukube microphone.
I want to talk for my people from Douala 4. Talk say Papa Bia don't come again. Papa Bia don't come with a gift. He don't come to assist our people them where did they suffer for this pandemic of COVID. They give that, he don't give them this money will help to fight against that coronavirus where they outside, we want put economy for down, we want bring us inside the earth.
For inside the Douala for we talk now, this palaver for corona, make we see the condition for Muhammadu Buhari country too today. At least now one of the country that way they kiwi plenty time, all time where it happen. Yesterday, number 6 day for inside this moon, 195 new cases with the confirm for inside place where they call them say Nigeria. So total case for people there where they get that sick for Nigeria, 3,145 people them. They don't left 534 people them where they don't already well, they don't go house. Number for people that they don't die since when this sick enter for Buhari country, 103 as we them say they talk for we. Sabi say Uganda, it don't start softening some of their Tory, some of their order where they be taken on top this palaver for corona. Uganda, it get population for 42 million people them, and Sabi say before Yoweri Museveni, we na president for Uganda one turn up, where Uganda be don't already get 97 case for people there they get this sick way they call them say corona. But 45 days now where they take them, you see na president said that way they make his spot inside the own office where it is showy Yoweri Museveni. He take na 45 days. They say make all man if she done for house. Bine place a bit lock. Bus, taxi, no one will be the worker. All man if she don't house for 45 days. After 45 days, none of the 97 people there they get the sick, they die. It means say all man they don't turn back normal. And as well we hear even bus, motor them, taxi them, no one know the worker. Now for Sika why that way Yoweri Museveni, he don't talk now say make people them they start do their normal activity them in the proper, but he don't talk say taxi, he no one cash am, boss, he no one cash am until they so continue for monitor. And inside the same chapter, he talks say people there they go for workplace, may they enter on top Okada or they take their bicycle go for office. As well don't talk Yoweri Museveni one time where they sick, he enter for a country, he block place. Sabi say no man he no come up for outside for 45 days, and after that 45 days president wey dey make his own issue for a office, it show say the result he don't pay. For Sika say inside 97 cases where they be get, no one person he never die, and since that 97 cases where they be get where they lock up place where all man she done for house, they never get any new case again for corona inside Uganda. So they don't talk for now. They go soft in place, they go open small kind place, they go open, but they go the monitor for now. Schools they never open, motor and even taxi, bus and taxi, all them they don't talk say make they no so continue for waka. They don't so continue for lock their borders them, and they say they go so continue for monitor. Now small they go the soft in their mind on top this palaver for corona for inside place where they call them say Uganda. Now Yoweri Museveni a country, and people them they say don't manage a chapter better. Now for Sika Wida we know yes say no one person is sleep straight for Sika corona for Uganda. Now, for inside the same chapter, Sabi Sef say honorable then say they don't come out inside parliament. All man they do own small thing them. We be meet up with honorable Esembe Malumba for inside Boya. He says try for 10 weeks sensitize what they make on top this corona. He be the talk for Derek Jato a microphone.
And now why that I think say be important, so make we young people then we come together to help the community. And I know say most times that the church say we young people then we sabi only cause na trouble. But this will not be true, especially when the people bring together with energy, the young people, to fight this kind of battle where we face now when the coronavirus. And so we get young people from different associations then in Saboya, even with some of friends them for Yaoundé, who will come together with the help of the Minister of Youth Affairs and the delegate of Boya. We say no, do this work, we'll go down to the communities then, talk to our people then, and also give them some material like sanitizer for hand, mask for wear for face, and stickers they want to go put for house, so that we go know how to make this sick, make it pass over with, make it no kill it. It's be important, even though these measures and ways government they ask us to make we do to save ourselves, even though now very hard changes for do make we try. make we wash hands all time with soap, make we wear this mask for face, make we even travel stay for house, no come out.
Now, honorable that for that side, so for Fako, Malumba, Sembe, where he said the talk, as we don't go back for inside town. Now for Waka, for talk for people them, on top this war, what's equal they call them, say Corona. As we Corona, they worry people them for Uhuru Kenyatta country. Rain Seseb, they left these people them, as we Tori enter with EM. One of the village them for that side, so for inside one of the county them, as we they call them, rain will fall, water rain, it don't broke the bridge into two. It don't make announcement that county for inside Kenya. People then say they know the fit for cross, water enter for different side. Sabi say the water rain says a chakara people them cargo, they are chop where they be don't plant them for that side. So now plenty rain will fall, it don't cause confusion for some one county for inside Uhuru Kenyatta, a country. Last story for this side for Equinox Story House. Now just for talk say sick people them where they get sick people them where they get for change their blood them all time. They call them now dialysis sick people them. It means say they get problem for their skin, so they get for the change their blood all time. Sabi say they be ever cry, say the thing the way they use them for changing blood, it no be their country, but just now Minister for Sick People, Dr. Manauda Malashi, where he says in the fight Corona for one side. He never forget the sick people them as well 40,000 worked in them where they go use them on top these sick people the way they get thing where they call them say dialysis sick they get for the use them for their system. So one of their own person says it be they for see the cargo there they come and it beg say make this doctor them when they give them for the hospital make them no go put them for backside market. There's Easter start for sell them for them. This one this sick thing them they come out now for Angela Merkel country where they call them say Germany. So now for help these sick people them where they get dialysis sick for their skin and other people that they ever get for change their blood. If no be so, them say they go kick bucket. So now they are thinking that where they don't enter for country. Tori don't finish inside with Tori house. Nothing then that we will see. But before we come out, some of the strong number them for newspaper them for outside this afternoon. We go start with the guidance post where they tell we say big man for country Nkunkuma Edongi Limbe Port their own power for say they look out all to they happen for them. Now the same power where Giam for Douala Seaport and even Kribedi Seaport the Seaport as well the guidance post the tell we inside the same chapter 2 the top story for Barrister Agbobala where Inobi show himself for Somerset University people that Somerset on top Palava say be ask question for chapter for Northwest and Southwest for he picking them. You go read Tori 2 Palava Cameroon Renaissance Movement their cargo them where this also make Tori all that chapter them the guidance post a carry am for his system. The post weekend at the tell we University for Boya Barrister Agbobala Felix versus Jacques Famen Dongo. They say na big pungu where it happen for that side. Where it happen you go read them inside the same post weekend you feel it Tori where it consign Palava and Corona inside we country where sick people them for Kondengi Seseb they hear bad for sick. All that Tori them you go read for the post weekender where they outside today make we enter for inside another newspaper where they for we before now the Horizon newspaper country people them Horizon they tell we Palava Agbobala versus Jack Famendongo and University for Boya Barrister Agbobala Felix no show hate for inside Somerset the Somerset you feel it too inside the same book as well Robert Bapol report he don't chop news chair like big man for SRC now so to Jean-Jacques Ekinde, he don't finish for fine lion, you know see him. He don't turn back inside lion in house. As well the Horizon newspaper, it tell we today. Order to read them, you go read them inside Horizon where they for outside. The Voice, now some other one will look. The Voice, it tell we they were watching way Corona. It do one for people that they from Gata inside Kondengi. You feel read that complete story as well the Voice bring them for we. So for inside the Voice, you go read as well Pope Papa for Roma and United Nation they don't start again for put power on top Nkunkuma. Now for waiting you go read and so for the Voice newspaper plenty to read them the day where you say you feel buy a newspaper them you read them. Now, so we see country this afternoon. Big thank you, Danny Warren Zede. Thank you to Malis and even you, Zef Ngondi. Now, na 3, una join hand with me for say make Tory people them. Whether na one way they look am for Facebook or na one way they look am for tele just now, may they follow for here wait till it happen. Tory, he go come back for this side for 6 o'clock for Queen Elisa County Talk and for 8 o'clock Emmanuel Macron County Talk. Me, I go turn back now for 8 o'clock if Papa got the help. Wanna hold am tight, na sote for tomorrow.